Picture this, a nice home and car, a salary that allows you to afford at least one annual vacation, a quality time with loved ones. We often refer to this as the American dream, the European dream, our dream. A common goal of most any workers is to have time to enjoy all the things that they work so hard to obtain. However, in the most recent All-State National Journey Heartland Monitor poll, sadly only 54% of those included in the survey felt that work-life balance was an attainable goal, while only 37 stated that they have actually missed experiences because of pressures at work. With the remarkable research of countless case studies from the Society of Human Resource Management and other studies, many essentially innovative companies provide beneficial evidence of performance enhancement directly related to maintaining an effective work-life balance. FactSet, a $5.3 billion software company and finance company, strongly encourages a healthy work-life balance in addition to flexible scheduling. As long as employees are available for communication and maintaining productivity, flexible scheduling and remote working are encouraged. FactSet's workforce consists of 45% of employees that utilize the flexible scheduling opportunities and 18% that telecommute. A recent Heartland study discovered over half of Americans, 68% to be exact, feel the employers should make flexible schedules a priority. Flexible schedules and remote working create a perfect work-life balance for both employees and employers. Another report from OL Labs discovered that 74% of employees agreed that remote working opportunities made leaving their employers less likely, establishing more loyal employees. Now, let us observe a case study of the Lothian and Borders Police Department, the LBP, located in Edinburgh, Scotland. The particular police department has 2,600 police officers, with 1,100 supporting staff members on their team. Personal Services Manager, Mr. Donald Ramsey, understands that work-life balance programs are essential to creating better staff management. Schedule flexibility is also required of new applicants in addition to work-life balance policies that are supported and encouraged by management. Consistent work-life balance is essential, and management should not only encourage it, but require it to promote healthy workflows. Examples of work-life balance police and LBP are flex times, where employees have the option to make their own choice of schedule. Standard part-time and full-time work. Job sharing, which is where two employees share responsibilities by working part-time. In another great example of efficient and essential work-life balance programs. Study or special leave for emergencies and bereavement needs. Sick children or caregiver leave are offered as well. Sport achievement leave, like participating in the Olympics. Offering the ability to actually enjoy the life they work for leads to a happier, healthier and more productive employee overall. From a management point of view, work-life balance has helped the company retain people with key skills, reduce turnover, employ more part-time staff, and respond to fewer requests for transfers, says Mr. Ramsey. Which types of work-life balance arrangements offers the LBP could be adopted by police departments in the United States as well, and in other European countries. And why do you think this is possible? Well, personally, I always support work-life balance opportunities. I believe it is essential for the health and happiness of the remote workforce.